Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're comparing AnyDesk and Splashtop. So AnyDesk is a Splashtop remote desktop war. Let's get started. We want to look at which remote desktop tool is faster and more reliable. But this is perfect for IT pros, remote workers and tech lovers. Now, do you need to access a computer remotely right now? AnyDesk and Splashtop both promise instant connections, but which one won't ruin your workday? Let's test them in 60 seconds. Now, when it comes to speed, AnyDesk has lightning speed, while Splashtop is very fast. So the winner, lightning speed, which is AnyDesk. When it comes to price, AnyDesk is free for personal use, and Splashtop has business plans. So winner, AnyDesk. When it comes to security, AnyDesk has TLS 1.2 plus 256 bits, while Splashtop has two-factor authentication, so winner is a tie. When it comes to file transfer, AnyDesk, has file transfer. When it comes to Splashtop, it has file transfer plus clipboard sync, so the winner definitely is Splashtop. When it comes to what they are best for, AnyDesk is best for quick help, while Splashtop is best for business teams. So winner, it depends on which you are. Do you need quick help or are you a business team? That will decide which is best for you. And when it comes to mobile, AnyDesk, has a good mobile app, while Splashtop has excellent mobile app. So the winner, Splashtop. So you see, AnyDesk is equal to speed demon for quick fixes, but Splashtop equals business grade muscle. So do you need personal use? You need it for personal use, then use AnyDesk. If you need it for company IT, then go for Splashtop. You see, if you are team green or team blue, comment your pick. Smash like if this saved your remote work life, and subscribe for more 1-minute tech battles. Do not forget to also comment on which one crashed less for you. Hope you found this video helpful.